In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI Reddit scraper in N8n, designed especially for beginners. We will cover the essentials in just a short 5-minute session, so you can get started on automating your Reddit scraping tasks without any prior experience needed. First, we need to access the N8n platform. Navigate to the AI Workflow Automation Platform and Tools site for N8n. This is where the magic happens, allowing us to create workflows that automate various tasks, including our Reddit scraper. If you haven't used N8n before, this is a great time to explore its capabilities, which extend beyond just scraping to a wide range of automation possibilities. Once you've reached the platform, you'll want to sign in. Head over to the Sign In section and log in with your credentials. Signing in ensures you have access to all your workflows and can save any changes you make along the way. Now that we're logged in, let's move to the N8n dashboard. This is your central hub for creating and managing workflows. Take a moment to familiarize yourself, as you'll be spending most of your time here. Next, it's time to create a workflow. Look for the option to create a new workflow and click on it. This action sets the stage for building your Reddit scraper from the ground up, a pivotal step towards automation. With your new workflow in place, you can now add nodes. Click on Add Nodes, which is essentially adding different components that work together to achieve your desired outcome. Each node represents a step in the process, such as fetching data or performing an action. Now, we need to incorporate AI into our workflow. Use the search function to look for AI. From here, you will find various options that cater to different AI functionalities. But for our purposes, we're particularly interested in using OpenAI for data processing. Having found OpenAI in the node options, click on it to add it to your workflow. The OpenAI node will play a crucial role, allowing you to process the data fetched from Reddit using AI models, which is what makes this scraper smart and efficient. And there you have it. We've set up the framework for an AI-powered Reddit scraper using N8n. Though we've only touched the surface, this workflow sets you up for more comprehensive automations. You can explore further by customizing nodes to suit more specific needs, which makes N8n an exciting and invaluable tool for automating everyday tasks. Remember to save your progress regularly and feel free to experiment and iterate on this basic setup to unlock even more powerful automation capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!